Hi everyone, it's Aidan from Everyday Tech here. So today I just thought I'd share with you a brand new phone. Just been released, I've just got the latest and it's everything I want in a phone. It's by a company called Acrobat, right? It's amazing. I'm going to show it to you now. I mean, I've literally just got it like minutes ago. Yeah? Ready? Are you ready? Are you ready for this? Is everything you want in a phone. Massive display, no notch. Look at the screen, look at the screen. Look how thin it is. Look how thin it is. It's so thin, it's unreal. And you know what? So many features, love it. Look at all the cameras. Cameras, 16. Yeah, not even sure what they do. I'm pretty sure one of them takes x-rays. But you know what? You need that many cameras. I mean, come on. I mean, it's future-proofing it. But yeah, Acrobat, brilliant. Amazing company. I mean, how they can afford to do this. I think this cost me about a penny. Yeah, I mean, it's just amazing. But you know what? You know it's going to please a lot of these people. Do you know what? Watch this. Watch. Headphones. 1 minute. Look! Headphone jack! Yeah, and it works! 1 minute. Just looking for something to play. Taylor Swift, no. Bon Jovi, no. Phil Collins, nailed it. I can feel it coming in the... Just turn it down a bit. Yep. Just yeah. It just feels so good. I said it just feels so good to have a phone that works, you know, this thin with a headphone jack. I don't know why the others can't do it. It's beyond me. It's the good bit coming up. Boom, boom. Yeah, it's drum solo. Oh, I love Phil. But just bear with me. Just gonna pause that and just connect me headphones. But it's just amazing, and you can still play all your games like Pokemon. Throwing your balls. And it's fine. You can still make calls. Hello, this is Aidan from Everyday Tech here, and that was my secretary voice. You know, women, try and hold yourself together. But you know what I love about this as well? You know what? At the end of the day, people are moaning that phones are too big. Well, guess what? It folds. It's also a clamshell. It's the first foldable one-screen phone. It's a penny. A penny. You know what? I'm just going to say it. This may be the phone of 2018 and 2019. It's like a millimeter thick. It's got, you know, super high resolution display, in-screen fingerprint reader, but the good one, not the 2D one. You know what? It's amazing. No notch, and it weighs literally nothing. It weighs nothing, and it charges right by positive thoughts. Yeah, that's all you need. Positive thoughts. It doesn't have a big chunky battery that most of them have. Just positive thoughts is all you need. And yeah, and it just is like the cheapest phone you'll ever get. But it's just the headphone jack. That's what everybody wants. Headphone jack. Yeah, can't go wrong. So if you want one, you can find them. Well, actually, there's only this one, and yeah, I'm keeping it. So if you want one, you're gonna have to, you know, make your own. But I don't know how you're going to do that, because this isn't something you can just make. This is something that, you know, you make. Anyway, don't forget, like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep you informed of the next phone that will be coming out, not made by me, in a couple of minutes. All right, bye.